I don't. I became money to money.
But it
But
can be also
because
scam sometimes.
because that's your problem. Why you use a second hand
I
and
said
But in game
sometimes
also,
ago it's not about the her problem or someone's problem, it's about the game's problem.
how? But in game also, always you will not.
But most of the game, your sorry, your details have lead.
But
Many
game
your
don't
mobile phone is hacked. And
game
your
don't
money
said you
and
give
the
me
transaction in another account.
game don't said you give me your personal
Like you
details.
said,
That must be game don't said you give your personal information. You already give them because you want rewards.
Like Free Fire, you give a Facebook ID.
But there is also a guest account. There is no need to give
But
the ID.
mostly
But it can
But that's
be
children's
deleted.
problem.
But it
No.
can be permanently deleted.
Permanently
Permanently
deleted.
deleted.
That when you delete your game, so then that is.
But if you install
But
Free Fire,
nowadays-
you
but-
know,
but
if you are Free
nowadays
Fire
they-
player, you
but-
install it can be deleted.
But nowadays also games gives us the opportunity when we make the guest ID, so we also have the file of the guest account.
But not always like.
But now every phone without a file you don't play the guest account.
And
And
every
also
game has
game,
mode. Like
But,
Free Fire, they have, which also people have old account, they have not mode.
but according to me most of the people.
But not all. So many have.
But
If you
not
ask
all,
two
but
Free
not
Fire
all
players,
player. But like this, not everyone play the outdoor game.
So
According
But
to
nowadays
you,
everyone can play the cricket or football.
yes.
so nowadays everyone play the old types of game offline. But nowadays not everyone play the old types of outdoor game
And
because everyone don't know how to play.
and now
And
parents
what's
also
the
very
benefit?
Many benefits. Physically strong, they can be
healthy.
And most of the
Healthy,
people doing that to be
and to
active.
digest food easily.
Yes. And loss fat.
Low fat.
But if you are playing in the game, you can increase your fat.
But I already told you you can go your gym and parks.
So that's the outdoor. Because
But
you
that's
are
not the
going
game.
somewhere.
Yes.
But
That's
that's a
the
part
difference
of a
between-
game because it has something like physical activity.
But
And
there
most
is
of
a
the
difference
people are
between
doing the
games
physical
and
activity.
you know what is the games of the
Games.
outdoor games.
But you have not extra
That
time.
comes into Olympics.
But you have do not extra time to you go in gym.
And
You have do not extra
But
time.
when you have extra time to play outside games, so you will take that time to go gym.
Something बोल दे
But gym, do not go gym. You go park.
play with your friends.
Play with your friends.
So who said that don't go park? Parks is different and outdoor games is different.
But you are have to play the games in the
But
park.
there is also muscles to exercise.
Tell us.
But it is also counted as an outdoor exercise. But there is no
Exercise or games different.
But there isn't part of exercise.
But also exercise don't
But
come
it's-
into a game.
It isn't part of.
It's a present part of the game. Olympics में हो जाते हैं.
How can you say that outside game are bad?
Because I have seen so many cases, there is so many accidents because of the outdoor games. Like when children play the cricket, so he get injury in his hand and neck. And
But
when
it's normal, everyone get injury.
let me complete. And when a 5 to 6 year girl sit in park and some big boys play the hockey and the hockey ball hockey ball hit his eye and he became blind.
And a 11-year-old boy murdered his parents because their parents denied
But
him
that's-
to play the Free Fire.
But
So
that-
many people suicided by mobile games.
But that's their parent and his problem. Why
It's
they
mobile
why
phones.
they
It's the
became
game's problem because
That's-
it's so
but
Indoor games.
why they became addictive? Game don't tell you don't become addictive, and I already told you 3 times.
But it's the game's problem I already
How?
told you. Because game is so attractive, game is not
That's
exist,
the
so
ad-
that's the so
That
the
is
addiction
attractive,
is
not the addictive.
It is
Your
addictive.
recording
You,
online
now you said that is attractive, not addictive.
I said it is too much attractive. That's why the children got addicted.
Now you change your sentence.
I
That's
know.
it.
Your recording online game is best.
Yes.
So tell me 5 benefits in online game.
First, you become sharp mind. Second, you become you know very well about the how to control and things. And third, you have concentrate. Fourth, you buy the you can make money to money. And fourth, you have the sharp mind and sharp brain.
Your 5 points have not work. Mostly children have do not sharp mind in online game like that. They can hack your minds and